Dividing, so this is going to be our main polynomial, and this is the divisor, right? This guy is the divisor, and this is, dividend, let's say, right? The main polynomial. Let's start it here. So, but the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. So this is like a third degree polynomial, and some terms are missing. So I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder here. So I'm going to say, okay, let me rewrite it here once. Write it here. So first I'm going to put the divisor. Divisor goes to the left. And then I put the polynomial right here on the right side, which, like I said, the term x squared is missing, so I'm putting a 0 as a placeholder. The term x is missing, so I'm putting a 0 as a placeholder, and then plus 5. Now, I'm just going to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So we can do that here. So I have 9x cubed divided by 2x. X cubed, x cancels out, so I have 9 over 2x squared. And that goes here. So 9 over 2x squared goes here, and then I multiply by the divisor. So 9 over 2x squared multiplied by 2x minus 3. So when I multiply this, I will get exactly 9x cubed right under 9x cubed. When I multiply this one, that's going to be 9 times 3, so negative 27 over 2x squared. And then I'm changing the sign in the next step. So next step, I'm changing the sign. So this will turn into minus, this will turn into plus. When you combine, these two cancel. And then combine 0 with 27 over 2. So you have 27 over 2x squared. And just bring this other two terms down. So 0x plus 5 is down. Okay, and then continue. So divide the first term, divide this term by 2x. So it's 27 over 2x squared divided by 2x. X will cancel out, so this will be 27 over 2 times a half. That will go here, so 27 over 4 x, right? Because x squared canceled with x, we have x left. So that will be this, and then multiply this with the divisor. So 27 over 4x multiplied with 2x minus 3. When you distribute this, it's going to give you 27 over 2x squared. And then times 3, that's going to be like negative 81 over 4x, right? Because 3 times 27 is 81. Now change the sign. Change the sign, make this negative and make this positive. This 2 cancels out. Combine it, so you get 81 over 4x and bring down 5 plus 5. And then do one more thing. So divide 81 over 4x divided by 2x. Now x will cancel out, so 81 over 4 multiplied by a half, that's 81 over 8. So then I say plus 81 over 8, and now multiply by this. So 81 over 8 multiplied by 2x minus 3. So when you distribute it, this is going to be 81 over 8 times 2. So it'll be 81 over 4x minus 3 times that. It's 243 over 8. So I will just put that right under. So 81 over 4x and then minus 243 over 8. And then change the sign and combine it. So change the sign to plus here. These 2 cancels. Now the remainder is going to be 5 plus 248 over 3. So let me write it. So it's going to be 5 plus 243 divided by 8, which you can put a 1 here, multiply top and bottom by 8. So that's going to be 40 plus 243 divided by 8, which is 283 divided by 8. So that's the remainder. So the remainder is 283 divided by 8. Okay, now let's write down the polynomial. So when we write it first, we put the quotient, right? So we're going to put the quotient first, which is 9 over 2x squared plus 27 over 4x plus 81 over 8, right? That's the quotient. And then plus the remainder, which is 283 divided by 8 divided by the divisor. minus 3 is the divisor. Okay, so that should be it. That should be it. Okay, should I accept this? But if it doesn't, then you can just put an 8 on the bottom. So alternative, because 283 over 8, and then divided by 2x minus 3 means you multiply by 2x minus 3, which this could be 283 over 8 times 2x minus 3. It could be written like this too, but this should be okay, I think. So this problem was a little bit maybe different than the other one, because here you have to deal with a lot of fractions. That's why it becomes a little bit weird. But other than that, it's just standard steps that we have to follow for the long division.